In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening voice recorder app and tapping on those three dots over here to access settings. Then adjust all of them however you want to before recording, and when you finished, go back. Now to start recording, use red button at the bottom. To pause it or unpause it, use the same one. To listen to your recording right away, pause it, swipe it, and use play button on the left. To add a bookmark, click on bookmark icon, and to end it and save it, on the square one. Now you can name your recording and hit save. As you can see, mine is over here. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options like skip silences. And to get rid of it, hold it on the list and select delete option at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!